matte lipsticks by Gxve. Yes. This is called the Original Me, and it is a matte lipstick in bullet form. First is Tragic Me, and this is described as a beige peachy neutral. That is an interesting description. This smells so good. It smells just like the lip gloss and the lipsticks. I mean the liquid lipsticks. So I really love Gxve scented lipsticks. It smells so good. This color is gorgeous. This is, I feel like everybody would love this shade. It literally is so pretty. It is beige peachy neutral. It kind of looks more pink on me, but my lips are naturally pink, so that could be a reason. Next is Lovable Me, and this is described as a brown peachy neutral. I actually got this for free as a gift during one of her specials, and I was just like, I actually was not interested in these lipsticks at all, but when I got this and I tried it and I wore it for days, I was just like, okay, Gwen. So this is why I got 3 more colors. Okay, this shade, Lovable Me, see what I mean? This is the reason why I fell in love with this formula as well. It is gorgeous. It is creamy. Next is Old School Me, which is described as a rich berry red. I'm interested in this one because usually berry reds don't look quite that good on me. So I'm interested. Yeah, I'm not quite sure about this color. I just feel like it's not red enough. It's not, I don't know. It's too, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm not really liking this shade too much. And also this color is drier than the first two, the Tragic Me and the Lovable Me. That one really glided on the lips really well. The more I glided it on my lips, it kind of warmed it up a bit. It was a little bit easier, but definitely this is more matte than the other two. Next is called 80s Me, and this is described as a bright plum. This shade I love too. My gosh, this is so unique. This is so nice. It is definitely 80s. Ooh, I wish I had this color when I went to that Stranger Things event. Totally would have rocked this. So this one is not as creamy as the first two, but it's not as matte as the last one either. This I love. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now let's talk about these lipsticks. Well, I kind of said my thoughts as I was applying them, but this I definitely recommend as well. Oh my gosh, if you're not a liquid lipstick fan, this is something that you will want to try. I myself am not the Shine Anaheim Shine type of person. I tried it, was too creamy, too bright, too whatever. I just did not like that. So but this is so nice. I really recommend this, especially if you're going for the nude shades. These are amazing, and if you have dry lips, for those ones you're not gonna have to worry about these ones. I want to do a blot test. Let's try another one. Even less. Oh my gosh, and it looks so good on the lips still. Girl, this is everything. With that said, have you tried any of Gxve Beauty's lipsticks? Which formula is your favorite? And let me know if you've tried this one and what color you tried. Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Check out this video. This is all about the Electric Bubble Pop Lip Gloss by Gxve. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and wonderful day. Oh my gosh.